Today I'm making some delicious potatoes, which are so versatile and are going to go with so many dishes. These are my honey and chorizo roasted potatoes. Of course, we're making them in the Ninja Foodi. And if you're new here and you like these types of recipes where we use the Ninja Foodi, then please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell as well. And if you like the look of it, then hit that like button for me. I know you're going to really enjoy these little roasties because they are so delicious, but so easy to make. If you'd like a copy of the recipe, which is also printable, then you can go over to my website to get that. It's www.susannahskitchen.uk. You can also purchase my cookbook over there as well. So let's go and make these cute, tiny little potatoes that are packed full of flavour. To make my honey and chorizo roasted potatoes, I am going to pressure cook them to start with. So in here, I have got my water in the bottom of the pot. I'm just going to use the air fry basket. It doesn't really matter what you put them in. These are nice and small. So these are baby new potatoes. And if you look, I have quartered those. So they're not going to take too long to actually cook. If you don't want to make these with chorizo, then bacon is really nice in this dish as well. So either or is really good. So let's get those pressure cooked. And then in the next stage, we'll add all the flavour. So make sure that your pressure valve is on seal, which is towards the back there. Switch over to pressure cook, and we want to cook these on high. And I want a quick release, and I'm actually only going to do these for a minute. Now they're quartered baby potatoes, so they're very small. They're going to be baked as well, so they're going to continue cooking. But we just want to tenderize them to start with, and being able to do a really quick pressure cook option is ideal for this, just like you would if you were parboiling on your hob. Quick release is finished, so let's slide across and open up. And we've got our potatoes. Let's grab the basket. And I'm going to go and discard this water. We don't need that. The potatoes are just right. They have been tenderized nicely. So I've got my chorizo. I've kept it quite chunky because I don't want it to overcook and be too sort of burnt, if you know what I mean. You know, if it gets cooked that a little bit too long. So straight in with my little baby potatoes. Lovely. And now we want to season these up. So I'm just spreading them out. So let's start off by giving them some spray oil. Of course, we want to season them with plenty of salt and pepper. And as the chorizo cooks, that is going to let out its beautiful flavours. As I said, bacon works really nicely in here. Again, the bacon's going to render down its fat and be super delicious. Going to add around a teaspoon of paprika and then around a teaspoon of garlic granules as well. Now, I'm not going to put the honey on until the end. So at the moment, this is all you need in here. With your silicone spatula, just so you don't scratch the pot, just give that a nice toss around. Oh, they smell really nice. You wait until these are roasted. It's going to be absolutely beautiful. So nicely spread in your pot. And I'm just going to use my rack and lower those in. And we're going to put those on to bake. This is such a good side dish because you can really serve this with so many different things. Really easy way of creating your potatoes in the Ninja. So we want to go over to bake. I think 180 will be good. I'm going to go with around 15 minutes. We'll keep an eye on them and check them, see where we're at. Every few minutes, I've just been tossing the potatoes around and that has worked perfectly. As you can see, we've got 30 seconds left and I believe that is the perfect amount of time. So 15 minutes gives you a nice tender potato, but a little bit of crisp on the outside. Here we go. Let me give you a look. Look at those beautiful golden crispy potatoes. 15 minutes was just right. Those are absolutely Perfect. And now all that's left to do is drizzle those with a little bit of honey. Oh, absolutely delicious. That combination is such a winner. I love these served with some chicken, but they're going to go with so many different dishes. I like to sprinkle a little bit of parsley over the top as well. Let me know if you give these a try.